Hello,
Hi.
how are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good.
It is a nice day today.
Yes, the sun is shining.
It is very warm.
I like warm weather.
Me too. I do not like the cold.
What are you doing today?
I am going to the market.
Oh, what will you buy?
I need to buy some fruit.
I like fruit.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like apples.
I like bananas.
Apples are red.
Bananas are yellow.
Do you need vegetables?
Yes, I need carrots and potatoes.
I am going to the park.
The park is beautiful.
Do you want to come with me later?
Yes, I would love to.
We can meet after you go to the market.
Okay. What time?
At 4 o'clock?
4 o'clock is good for me.
Great. See you at the park entrance.
Okay, I will be there. Later, at the park.
Hello again.
Hi, the park is very big.
Yes, it is. Let's walk.
Good idea. Look at the flowers.
They are beautiful. I see red flowers and white flowers.
I see children playing.
They are running and laughing.
They look happy.
Do you like parks?
Yes, I do. It is quiet here.
I like to sit on the bench.
Let's sit here.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I am. I have a bottle of water.
Do you want some?
No, thank you. I have my own.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books.
What kind of books do you read?
I read storybooks.
That is interesting.
What about you?
I like listening to music.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I like pop music. It makes me happy.
Do you play a musical instrument?
No, I do not. Do you?
No, I cannot play any instrument.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is your cat's name?
Her name is Mimi.
Is she big or small?
She is small and white.
I love cats.
Do you have a pet?
No, I do not have a pet. I want a dog.
Dogs are nice. They are very friendly.
Yes, they are.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment.
Is it big?
No, it is a small apartment. It has 2 rooms.
I live in a house with my family.
Is your family big?
No, it is small. I live with my mother and father.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have one brother. He is older than me.
I have one younger sister.
What do you do? Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student. I study at the university.
What do you study?
I study history.
That sounds difficult.
It is okay. I like it. Are you a student?
No, I am not. I work.
Where do you work?
I work in a library.
A library. You must love books.
Yes, I do. I see many books every day.
It is getting dark now.
Yes, the sun is going down.
I should go home.
Me too. I need to cook dinner.
What are you making for dinner?
I think I will make pasta.
That sounds delicious. I had a great time today.
Me too. It was very nice.
We should do this again.
Yes, let's meet again soon.
Goodbye.
Bye. Take care.